Arbor, Michigan at Washtenaw Community College.
240.
We have the FAME program, which is Federation of Advanced Manufacturing Technicians. It's a national program for supplying the pipeline with more skilled trades workers, because most of the people that are in my age bracket and older are retiring out and there's no new people moving into it.
FAME is essentially a internship, kind of apprenticeship style program where I have a sponsor company and I go to school and work all in a package deal.
The FAME program targets multi-skilled technicians with mechatronic skills for maintaining equipment and building systems.
I wanted to do robotics and automation, and when I went looking here, I was told about the FAME program, and that kind of got stuck in my head. So like a couple months later I applied, and I had like the red carpet rolled out for me, and I got right in.
The FAME program is set up where students work with an employer for 3 days a week and they come to the school for 2 days a week. And that way they get, at the end, instead of just graduating with an associate's degree and no experience, they graduate with at least 1,800 hours work experience on top of the associate's degree.
I ended up deciding to join FAME because I was going through high school and I was taking a computer aid design class, and my teacher pushed me out of my comfort zone. He said, "Hey, you should go, learn about this, this program that consists of mechatronics, and it's got automation in it." I had no idea what any of that meant, so I enrolled. I joined Washtenaw Community College, and I got employed by Toyota R&D.
You get to practically apply everything you're learning in the classroom immediately right after.
I deal with a lot of mechatronics applications and even some hydraulic applications. Everything I've learned here is translated directly to the real world. It's been awesome.
The employers, they like the fact that they can get a skilled worker in a short period of time. A traditional apprenticeship is 3 to 4 years, and they get it in 5 semesters or about 18 months.
I hope that all the work experience and the degree and several of the certifications I'm getting will allow me to be an integrator of some kind. I'll work for an integrator, be able to do all that fun stuff there.
For several years, people were go to university, and taking the skilled trades out of it. Somebody still has to make all the stuff that we use in the world, so now the skilled trades is kind of the in-demand field.
I took a giant risk, I think everybody does jumping into college. They don't know if they're 100% certain on, if this is what they want to do, and so far, this is everything.